So, how to create an interactive quiz with Kahoot? So, welcome to our tutorial on creating engaging quizzes with Kahoot. So, the first step is open your web browser and go to kahoot.com. So, after that, you can sign up, log into your Kahoot account or sign up for a new account. So, sign up. So, you can choose whether you are a student or a teacher, a professional, or etc. So, you choose the teacher, and school. Describe your workplace with this school. So after that, you can log in your using your Google account. So after you sign up, so you can click create a new Kahoot. So after that, you can start click on add questions to create a question. So choose the question type which is the multiple choice or true or false or puzzles and etc. So you can type your answer, your question here, and then you can select the correct answer and set correct answer, and then customize the appearance of your quiz by choosing colors, image, and themes. You can also add music or sound effect to enhance the quiz experience. So it includes images or videos to make the quiz more engaging. So select uh, you can select the correct answer and set a timer for the question. So next is you can duplicate and then edit the duplicated slide and then write a new question. So the chickens are all white, so you can set the correct answer and the timer. Set the timer. So next, you can set the timer. You can set which how many points is that question. So and then step 4 is saving and sharing your quiz. So click on save to save your quiz, and then add title on your quiz to continue, and then you can share. You can click the share your quiz by clicking on share button and selecting the share option, which is via link, social media, or email. But you can also share it with your email. So that is a email. And then congratulations, you have successfully created an interactive quiz using Kahoot. So you can share it with your students or audience for engaging learning experience. So here is the preview of your um, quiz using Kahoot. So in the in the in the small screen, that is um, your student phone, and then that in the big screen, that is yours, which is you can see who is in the who is signing up in your quiz. So you can see in your big screen whether it is what is their answer, what how many points though they. And then you can also see who is getting a higher score. So okay, so that will end our tutorial on using Kahoot as an interactive quiz. Thank you.